It's getting louder and louder. These stairs are getting steeper and steeper. Oi! Wow! This is a bit crazy. Ah! Wow! It's like I'm walking in the waterfall. Oh, okay. Wow! Good morning, guys. Today, Jay and I, we are going to get on the scooter. We are headed north, and we're just packing up our stuff now. So we are going to take you guys along. I'm so excited. I think we're going to go waterfall hunting. We haven't booked any accommodations. The plan is to stay overnight. So we have no idea exactly what we're going to see or where exactly we're going to go. But we're going to take you guys along. So we're going to pack up the scooter and get on the road. So before we get too far along in our adventures, it has been raining a lot here. So we are gonna just like scope out some full rain gear because it sucks getting wet. When you're in the mountains, it's cold. And yeah, we're just gonna try and find some rain gear. So just a quick stop home to return the ponchos. We brought our ponchos just in case we didn't find anything, but we ended up finding two suits. I have a light pink, or light pink. I have a light blue. I can't do stairs and talk at the same time. Focus. Hey.
You cannot lock.
Oh, yep. Okay, so this is Wyan. He is our gracious host. I'm just unlocking it because we're going to be gone overnight, so he's just going to come in and change the linens and stuff. So here we go. Alrighty, there you go. See ya. So yeah, I have a funny feeling you guys are going to be seeing a lot of us in the blue rain jackets, since literally it's rained every day. So just going to hop back on the scooter and off we go. Forgot, we need to stop at the bank. Now this May Bank allows you to take out 3 million rupiah, which sounds like a lot of money, but it really isn't. It's just probably like just over like 250 Canadian. So this is the only bank we found that'll allow that much at one time.
Can't get out of town early, can we?
No, never. You can never get out of town early enough. Jay always has so much gear to put on and take off every time we get on and off the scooter. It's almost like a chore. But he's got all of his gear. You can barely see him, just the bottom of his legs. That's it. That's all you can see. All right, I think we are ready to hit the road. Off we go. Jay and I just stopped quickly. We're gonna put the drone in the air. Their landscapes here are absolutely stunning. And the rice terraces. In Malaysia, when we were there, it was the palm plantations, but here, it's the rice terraces are absolutely gorgeous. And just coming around this corner here, it's like, as far as the eye can see of rice terraces, it's just stunning to see. And peppered through the rice terraces are homes and like little villages and things. It's unbelievable. It's funny, it's sunny right here, but you look over there and it's dark, dark, dark clouds by the mountains. Crazy. All right, we're gonna hop back on the scooter and maybe find a place we can have a drink and just sit and chill and enjoy the view. Here comes the rain. We ducked into a restaurant, it's called The Rustic, and we are at the rice terraces here. The one thing that Jay and I have noticed since we've been traveling around is that you have to pay to get into or to see almost everything. So as a budget traveler, that really could eat up our budget really, really quickly. So when we came to the rice terraces today, it was 40,000 rupiah each. And then they also wanted an extra fee if we wanted to drone here. Thank God it's raining, so we are not gonna drone. We droned earlier and saw some beautiful rice terraces, and I'm pretty sure it might have even been this area. We weren't on the grounds. So one thing that we noticed, even when in our last video when we went to the beach and we parked, it cost every time we wanted to park, wanted to go into a beach. So that's something to keep in mind when you come here. Everything is not free to see or to do. It's been like 45 minutes, almost an hour, still raining, but it's lightening up. We considered just throwing in the towel for today and just going back home, but we might plug on, eh? I don't know. Head south instead. Bali, why do you do this to us? I wasn't kidding when I said we were going to get good use of our raincoats and our rain pants, and that you guys would be seeing a lot of us all the time wearing our rain suits. Maybe, yeah. I think we should just make a run for it. To make a run for it?
See, one person can make a run for it and come back with a reindeer.
True. No, that's not happening. We decided to make a run for it. It really is just lightly sprinkling though, but the water is rushing. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! They got a lot of rain. Thunder, lightning, wow. Oh, I see some blue skies, not too bad. But I think the direction we're heading is where it's still raining. So we're gonna cross our fingers, put on our rain gear, and hit the road. Hi.
Come on, sir.
Hotel is booked. We are on our way. Dun, da, da, da. Now it's sunny. Oh my goodness. Bali, your weather kills me. So we are here at our hotel. We are just getting checked in. So we are going to decide whether or not we are gonna take the trek to the waterfall today or wait till tomorrow. Don't know how long the sun's gonna last, but hopefully it'll last a little bit and we'll be able to go. I absolutely love these grounds. Just walking up to our room here, I feel like we're at a homestay. The grounds are so pretty. There's a little fish pond and there's statues and all kinds of plants and flowers. It's absolutely stunning. And behind the homestay here, I call it a homestay, hotel, homestay, I'm not really even sure. There is a whole field full of hydrangeas. So pretty and totally unexpected. Hello. Okay, so we made it to the first waterfall. And the drive here always boggles my brain. It's like a two little pathway to get here. And you never think that there's gonna be somebody at the end like asking for money or getting tickets or anything like that. Because it just seems like it's just an off-road path. But nope, we had to pay for parking. It was only 2,000 rupiah to park. And this pathway is paved all the way down here, so that's kind of nice. When we were driving up to the waterfall, there are like fields and fields and fields of hydrangea plants. Nice blue hue hydrangeas. It's so pretty. Wow. You can hear the water off in the distance. The plants here are beautiful. Wow. The good thing about rainy season is that everything is like super green and lush. It's beautiful everywhere you look. This is Banyumala, a waterfall, and a very, very easy pathway to get down here. Not really too difficult to walk around. You can hear there's little streams. Hello, stream! All around, water all around. So we're just coming up. We've parked up like on the hill. We kind of like walked down and around a little path here, and then we're coming up to the ticket booth. It's getting louder and louder. These stairs are getting steeper and steeper. Oi! Wow! And they're wooden, and it rains, so it's wet. Oi! Holy cow! Oh, I see a bridge down there. Oh, wow. The stairs are never the same height, so that's a little bit tricky to get used to. Whew. All right. Oh, wow. This is a bit crazy. Ah! Wow. It's like I'm walking in the waterfall. Oh, okay. This one's supposed to be like multi-layered, kind of, not like one single one like our very first vlog that we did at Nung Nung Waterfall. Woo. Oh, I can see it, I can see it. I hope you guys don't get sick of waterfalls because I absolutely love them. I have a funny feeling there's going to be a lot of waterfall vlogs. are so many waterfalls in Bali. It's almost near impossible to see them all while we're here, but we're definitely going to take in a few, that's for sure. It is so peaceful here, except for the loud bugs. Because I know you guys can hear that. They are so loud. But it's like there's water coming from all around, not just from like the big waterfall from the top. And there's like a little stream below. There's 2 bridges you can walk around. Oh my god. So I don't know if you guys can see that very well. But okay, so this is the waterfall. And then on the left and the right side are waters just trickling in, plus the big waterfall in the center. And then it comes down over the bridge, down past this bridge, and then into like a little crack in the earth. And you can see the water flowing. That is crazy. Let me try and zoom in. Wow. So it was 30,000 rupiah each for Jay and I to come here. There are washrooms here, very swimmable like little area here, and you're not like under the waterfall. Like Nung Nung Waterfall, the water was flowing really fast, and people could get basically sucked in if they weren't careful. But this one is just like a slow trickle. You can wade out into the water if it's a hot day. It's not really a hot day today. It's nice and cool. The temperature is great, but I like that they have washrooms so you can change in and out of your suits if you get wet or whatever. And yeah, there's just water everywhere. It's definitely worth 30,000 rupiah. Wow. So Jay and I are just coming back from the waterfall, and I had him pull over. There are fields of hydrangeas the whole way there, and I totally was not expecting that, but everywhere you see a white dot in this frame is a blue hydrangea. Like even, let me zoom in a little bit. Look at over there. Isn't that wild? All hydrangeas. So out of all of the blue hydrangeas, there is one purple one, and I've never seen a purple hydrangea like this before. Isn't that amazing? It is so pretty. Hello. Well, that was dinner. It was only $7.30, guys. Like, wow. Pretty good. My meal, I had the same thing I did at the Uluwatu temple, and it was just as good. So I think that's going to be my go-to meal. Like chicken cashew nut is in Thailand for me. The room that we have here at the homestay was only $28. So, and it's big, lots of room. It's got a huge patio outside with 2 chairs and a little desk sitting area. Bathroom is big too. It is a wet room, but for 28 bucks, perfect.